In a forest made of dreams and sparks, there's a bear who glows in the dark. Brick by brick, he's a wonder to see. Blocky the bear, oh, he's the key. Click, clack, claws and a belly that glows. Where he comes from, nobody knows. Blocky the bear, light up the night, filling up fun, shining so bright. Piece by piece, he's a friend like no other. Blocky the bear, a glowing big brother. A glowing big brother. Through the woods he roams and plays, swapping colors, changing ways. Stack him high or take him apart. Blocky builds joy with a glowing heart. He lights the path when you're feeling lost, a beacon of hope no matter the cost. Snap him together, watch him transform. Blocky the bear, your cuddly storm.